Hey learners, Pranshi Verma this side. Welcome to this YouTube session. Guys, in today's video we are going to learn Power Theft and Energy Management Unit 3 multiple choice question and answer for your upcoming examination. And guys, multiple choice question आंसर के साथ साथ प्लीज आप अपनी थ्योरी कवर कीजिए, अपने कंसेप्ट क्लियर कीजिए सब्जेक्ट की. अगर न्यूमेरिकल हैं तो एटलीस्ट उनके फॉर्मूलाज एंड किस तरह सॉल्व करते हैं ये सारी चीजें चेक कीजिए अच्छे से, बिकॉज जितना अच्छे से आप अपना सिलेबस कवर करके जाएंगे एग्जामिनेशन के लिए, फिर एग्जामिनेशन 2 हार्स का है या फिर 3 हार्स का है, इससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बट प्लीज आप फोकस कीजिए थ्योरी पर एज वेल एज मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर पर. एंड नाउ लेट्स बिगिन. In this, your first question is Power Theft and Energy Management Unit 3. First question is Cumulative efficiency is defined as option E. Cumulative efficiency is equal to efficiency of step 1 plus means addition efficiency of step 2 and plus it leads to efficiency of step n. Okay. Now focus on option B. Cumulative efficiency is equal to efficiency of step 1 multiply efficiency of step 2 and it leads to efficiency of step n. Okay. Option C. Cumulative efficiency is equal to efficiency of step 1 minus efficiency of step 2 and it leads to minus efficiency of step n. Option D is none of the above. Okay. Right answer here is option B. Okay, and this is cumulative efficiency is equal to efficiency of step 1 multiply efficiency of step 2 and multiply and it leads to efficiency of step n. Okay, I hope cleared it. Next question. Full form of LED. Option A, light emitting diode. Option B, light emitting decoder. Option C, low emitting diode. And option D, none of these. Right answer is option A, light emitting diode. Okay, so LED stands for light emitting diode. Next question. Way to improve system efficiency. Option A, maintain power factor. Option B, identify and fix distribution system losses. Option C, remove load shedding. Option D, both A and B. Right answer is option D, both A and B. Okay, so way to improve system efficiency with the help of identify and fix distribution system losses and with the help of remove load shedding. Okay. So right answer here is option D, both A and B. Okay. Next question. Principle of energy conservation. Option A, minimum energy efficiency. Option B, maximum cost effectiveness in energy use. Option C, minimum cost effectiveness in energy use. Option D, none of these. Right answer is option B, maximum cost effectiveness in energy use. Okay, so principle of energy conservation is maximum cost effectiveness in energy use. Next question. Electron hole pair are produced by option A, doping. Option B, thermal energy. Option C, recombination. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option B, thermal energy. Okay, so electron hole pair are produced by thermal energy. Important question है guys, focus कीजिएगा. Next question. Efficiency of LED is given by option A, electrical power to visible light conversion. Option B, light to light conversion. Option C, light to electrical conversion. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option A, electrical power to visible light conversion. Okay, so efficiency of LED is given by electrical power to visible light conversion. Next question. Efficiency of LED approximately. Option A, 2%. Option B, 18%. Option C, 55%. Option D, 80%. Right answer is option B, 18%. Efficiency of LED approximately 18%. Next question. Full form of ASD is option A, adjustable speed drive, option B, automated speed drives, option C, adjustable supply drives, option D, none of the above. Right answer is option A, adjustable speed drive. Okay, next question. The balancing of load factor can be done by adopting which of the following? Option A, reducing overall demand. Option B, increasing peak demand. Option C, rescheduling the activities. Option D, both A and C. Okay, here right answer is option D, both A and C. Okay, so first one is the balancing of load factor can be done by adopting. Okay, so with the help of reducing overall demand and with the help of rescheduling the activities. Okay, next question. Way of conserving energy. Option A, thermal isolation. Option B, reducing demand. Option C, using alternative supplies. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Okay, so the way of conserving energy is thermal isolation, reducing demand, and using alternative supplies. Okay, right answer is option D. Next question. Important aspect of energy conservation. Option A, depletion of non-renewable energy. Option B, economic aspects. Option C, environmental aspects. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Important aspects of energy conservation is first one, depletion of non-renewable energy. Second one, economic aspects. And third one is environmental aspects. Okay. Next question. Maximum demand control is used to option A, controls the power factor of the plant. Option B, switch off non-essential loads in a logical sequence. Option C, exceed the demand of the plant. Option D, switch off essential loads in a logical sequence. Right answer is option B, switch off non-essential loads in a logical sequence. Okay. So, maximum demand controllers is used to switch off non-essential loads in a logical sequence. Next question. Conservation of electrical energy in smaller scale industries is possible in option A, illumination. Option B, electric power distribution. Option C, testing facilities. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Conservation of electric energy in small scale industries is possible in illumination as well as electric power distribution and in testing facilities also. Next question. Energy planning is required as option A, to provide direction. Option B, to reduce uncertainties. Option C, resource allocation. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. So, energy planning is required as to provide direction as well as to reduce uncertainties and resource allocation also. Next question. Capacitors with automatic power factor controller when installed in a plant at option A, reduces the voltage of the plant. Option B, increase the load current of the plant. Option C, reduces active power drawn from grid. Option D, reduces the reactive power drawn from grid. Right answer is option D, reduces the reactive power drawn from grid. Next question. Which of the following controls the power factor of the installation by giving signals to switch on or off power factor correction capacitors? Option A, maximum demand controller. Option B, intelligent power factor controller. Option C, both A and B. Option D, automatic power factor control relay. Right answer is option D, automatic power factor control relay. Okay, next question is, The objectives of energy audit. Option A. To identify the excess of energy consumed. Option B. To propose the alternate solution. Option C. To provide the reactive power in the power system. Option D. Both A and B. Right answer is option D. Both A and B. Okay. So the objective of energy audit is to identify the excess of energy consumed as well as to propose the alternate solution. Okay. Next question. The main objective of energy management is option A. To minimize energy cost. Option B. To minimize environmental effects. Option C. To maintain optimum energy procurement and utilization. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is option D. All of the above. Okay. So they all are objectives of energy management. Next question. Energy management is a key component of option A. Environmental management. Option B. Nitrogen management. Option C. Carbon management. Option D. Water management. Right answer is option C. Carbon management. Okay, energy management is a key component of carbon management. Next question. Demand side management is required. Option A. To reduce overall cost of installed capacity. Option B. To reduce needs for peaking stations. Option C. To ensure quality and equity of supply. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is option D. All of the above. Okay. So, in demand side management, required are to reduce overall cost of installed capacity and to reduce needs for peaking stations and to ensure quality and equity of supply. Next question. The demand side management can be achieved by the technique of option A. Load management. Option B. Multi-utility power exchange model. Option C. Time of day pricing and metering. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is option D. All of the above. Okay. Next question. An energy policy does not include option A. Declaration of top management commitment. Option B. Future production projection. Option C. Time period for reduction. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is option B. Future production projection. Okay. An energy policy does not include in future production projection. Next question. An energy audit team is formed during option A. Pre-audit phase. Option B. Post-audit phase. Option C. At the time of study. Option D. Audit phase. Right answer is option A. Pre-audit phase. An energy audit team is formed during pre-audit phase. Next question. Which of the following is not part of energy monitoring? Option A. Data analysis. Option B. Data reporting. Option C. Energy efficiency equipment financing. Option D. All of these. Right answer is option C. Energy efficiency equipment financing. Okay. Next question. Energy consumption per unit of GDP is called as option A. Per capita consumption. Option B. Energy intensity. Option C. Energy ratio. Option D. None of these. Right answer is option B. Energy intensity. Okay. Energy consumption per unit of GDP is called as energy intensity. Next question. The various types of instruments which requires during audit need to be option A. Easy to carry. Option B. Easy to operate. Option C, inexpensive. Option D, all of these. Right answer is option D, all of these. Next question. The tool used for performance assessment and logical evaluation of avenues for improvement in energy management and audit is option A, benchmarking. Option B, fuel substitution. Option C, energy pricing. Option D, monitoring and verification. Right answer is option A, benchmarking. Okay, so the tool used for performance assessment and logical evaluation of avenues for improvement in energy management and audit is benchmarking. Next question. Energy managers should be well versed with option A, technical and marketing skills. Option B, managerial and technical skills. Option C, manufacturing and processing skills. Option D, managerial and commercial skills. Right answer is option B, managerial and technical skills. Next question. ECO stands for option A, economy conservation opportunities. Option B, energy conservation opportunities. Option C, enter conservation opportunities. Option D, none of these. Right answer is option B, energy conservation opportunities. ECO stands for energy conservation opportunities. Next question. Surge meter is used for measuring and recording. Option A, current. Option B, power factor. Option C, frequency. And option D, all of these. Right answer is option D, all of these. Okay. Next question. Cumulative efficiency is mainly controlled by the lowest efficiency step. Efficiency is true or false? Is true. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is a true principle of energy conservation? According to this question, first principle is maximum energy efficiency. Second principle is maximum energy efficiency, minimum energy efficiency. Third principle is maximum cost effectiveness in energy use. Fourth principle is minimum cost effectiveness in energy use. According to this, option A, second and fourth. Option B, first and third. Option C, first and fourth. Option D, second and third. Right answer is option B, first and third. Okay. Following our true principle of energy conservations are, first one is maximum energy efficiency and third one is also correct. This is maximum cost effectiveness in energy use. Okay. Next question. In general, in any system, energy losses in which of the following area? Option A, in energy conversion process. Option B, in energy transfer process. Option C, in energy discharge process. Option D, all of these. Right answer is option D, all of these. Okay, so in general, any system energy losses occur in energy conversion process and in energy transfer process and in energy discharge process. Okay, so they all are area about it. Next question. The energy losses can be option A, electrical. Option B, mechanical. Option C, chemical. Option D, all of these. Right answer is option D, all of these. Okay, so the energy losses can be maybe electrical, maybe mechanical, maybe chemical. Okay, so all of these is the right answer here. Next question. The energy discharge depends on, first one, speed of exhaust. Second one, discharge rate. Third one, temperature of discharge. According to this, option A, only second. Option B, first and second. Option C, all. And option D, third. Right answer is option C, all. Okay. So the energy discharge depends on speed of exhaust, depends on discharge rate, as well as depends on temperature of discharge. Okay. Right answer is option C. Next question. The total cost per unit output is defined as option A, annual charge on investment per unit output. Option B, fuel cost per unit output. Option C, sum of annual charge on investment per unit output and fuel cost per unit output. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option C. The total cost per unit output is defined as sum of annual charge on investment per unit output and fuel cost per unit output. Okay. Next question. Which of the following methods analysis used for determining when to perform maintenance? Option A, oil sample analysis. Option B, filter pressure drop. Option C, both. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option C, both. Okay. So, the method analysis used for determining when to perform maintenance. First method is oil sample analysis and second method is filter pressure drop. Next question. Blank space can track performance deterioration and be used to forecast repair requirement. Option A, vibration baseline. Option B, trend analysis. Option C, both. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option C, both. Okay. Means both can track performance deterioration and be used to forecast repair requirement. Okay. Both means vibration baseline and trend analysis. Okay. They both are. Next question. Efficiency of fluorescent lamp is option A, 10 luminaires per watt. Option B, 120 luminaires per watt. Option C, 65 luminaires per watt. And option D, 100 luminaires per watt. Right answer is option C, 65 luminaires per watt. Next question. Pressure coil is also called as option A, current coil. Option B, voltage coil. Option C, both. And option D, none of these. Right answer is option B, voltage coil. Okay guys. See you in the next video. Please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates. Wish you very all the best for your examination. Thank you.